Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily